Hey everybody, so it's that time once again for our Medusa's makeup unboxing, but this month it's a little different. It's actually in a box! It's not a shiny bubble envelope. Nope, it's actually in a box as the name suggests. Medusa's makeup subscription box, or whatever it's called. I don't know. That's really cute. I'm really digging this box with all the little graphics. Alright, let's dig in. It's not just about the box. Look, they got the tissue paper, making it look all cute. I like it. Look at that. Alright, what do we have? March Beauty Box. It tells me everything that's in here, and I don't want to see it because I want to be surprised. Okay. We've got lip paint in Whoopee. And is it as red as the box would suggest? Let's find out. Oh, I think so. That's pretty red. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. Oh, yeah. It's actually more of like a pinkish cherry red, but not like a true red, but it's still really cool. I like it. Okay, moving on. Black Hawaiian Sea Salt Facial Scrub, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Black Hawaiian Sea Salt, almond oil, and fragrance. Nice. And it's resealable, so I'm going to open it and smell it. I might just use it tonight. Okay, it doesn't have much of a scent, which is good because you don't want like a lot of fragrance on your face. So that's what it looks like. It looks like black sea salt. Okay. Yeah, I'm liking that it doesn't have a lot of fragrance. And I'm liking that Medusa's makeup box is including like beauty products and not just makeup. That's very cool. Like last month I got a toner spray and I've been using it and I like it. So, just putting that out there. Alright, what do we have now? Ooh, Witch Lash Mascara, Electric Blue. Y'all, I don't think I've ever tried blue mascara. I stick to black. But, okay. Yeah, that's blue. Woo! That's electric blue. They weren't lying. I don't know if I'm courageous enough, like adventurous enough. That's really, really blue. It's not navy blue. That is like 1987 fluorescent blue. Like I'm on the way to go see Def Leppard in concert, and my hair is teased up to the heavens, and my titties are popping out of my ripped t-shirt, and yeah, that's what shade of blue that is. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, the last item is a lip balm called Salt and Peppermint. Cute. Y'all are cute. Medusa's makeup. And it is pepperminty, so they weren't lying. And I've got a coupon for 20% off something called xoxo.com. Have y'all ever heard of that? I have not. I might check it out. Alright. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 items for $15.95. It says that this is a $42.95 value for $15.95. So I think that's you know, pretty good. I'm not a math genius or anything, but I think that's a pretty good deal. So, Medusa's makeup subscription box, now in an actual box with cute graphics. I love it. So, I'm gonna stick with this one for a little while. I've been with them for a while. I want to say a year, maybe? Something like that. Seems like it. Anyways, so I'm gonna stick with them for a while, especially now that they're like including more beauty item, like whatchamacallit, beauty products, you know, skin products, not just makeup. I like it. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.